Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my another video. Viewers, as you can see in this video, I will gonna show you Teachers Day cupcake design ideas. In this video, I will show you how to decorate most amazing cupcake designs for Teachers Day or for your teacher. Viewers, please watch my full video. Please watch my video till end. I hope you will enjoy my video, and if you are a new viewer on my channel and watching my video very first time, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Viewers, please like my video, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Viewers, if you have any query or any demand, then tell us on comment section. How was our videos? We will try to make videos on the basis of your demands and try to fulfill your demands. Viewers, as you can see, these all are very amazing and so delicious cupcake design ideas. I really hope you will enjoy my video. Thank you so much for watching my full video. Thanks.